Today is the last day of 2020. We have cursed this year, we have prayed for it to end, and it is finally happening. Although it was a difficult year, I have a story to share. A trip that I'm grateful of, a trip that was almost impossible, but it happened. So it's almost been an hour since we left home, and to be honest, this feels so unreal because till today 10 o'clock there was no plan, and 10 o'clock in the morning and we are on the road, and there were so many hurdles throughout the day, like car ka tire and all. I'll talk about it in the vlog, but I'm so happy. I started recording, I started vlogging. I had this 100% plan to vlog this particular trip, but I got so excited I totally forgot that I had to record. So I thought I'd never make it into a vlog, but I thought I'd do it with the help of this. Let me show you what happened. So in May this year, मेरे दिल में एक ख्याल आया कि मुझे केदारनाथ जाना है और इसी साल जाना है. I precisely remember it was 5 o'clock in the morning, and I also made an Insta story about it. But clearly बहुत difficult, impossible सी लग रही थी ये trip because of COVID and my exams. 13th of November की बात है. मेरे friend ध्रुव ने मुझे एक picture भेजी of himself, his bike and the road saying off to Kedarnath. और आई थिंक मेरी ट्रिप वहीं से स्टार्ट हो गई थी. आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंकिंग वी ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड दैट वी टू वॉन्ट टू गो टू केदारनाथ. पर सिर्फ डिसाइड कर लेना काफ़ी नहीं था, बहुत सारे इश्यूज थे बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द ट्रिप. द फर्स्ट बीइंग टाइम लिमिटेशन. इट वाज 13th ऑलरेडी और 16th को कपाट बंद हो रहे थे, और फिर अगले दिन दिवाली भी थी. ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है कि घर पे और गोडाउन पे दिवाली पूजा ना हुई हो. सो दैट वाज अ बिग कॉल. So we shifted the Diwali Puja to Dhanteras, and between all this बहुत मुश्किलों से due to festive season car tire replace करवाया, and 10:30 that night we started for Kedarnath. Drove all the way to Haridwar and took a taxi from Haridwar because dad was tired, and continued traveling and reached Rampur next day. So it was a 24-hour non-stop drive. Although we wanted to trek all the way up to Kedarnath, पर समय की कमी के कारण हमने डिसाइड करा हम हेलीकॉप्टर से जाएंगे. तो रामपुर बेस से हमने हेलीकॉप्टर लिया, हम केदारनाथ पहुँचे. वहाँ पे हम ध्रुव से मिले, और हमारे 2-3 घंटे जितने भी वहाँ हमने स्पेंड करे, वी enjoyed the vibe of Kedarnath and came back the same day. Crazy ride from no plan to traveling 1000 kilometers to reach the destination and coming back the same distance in just 72 hours. So right now we are around, actually we've left Rishikesh. We didn't stay anywhere, but we changed our car. We took a taxi from Haridwar because Dad was feeling a little tired, and unfortunately, literally it's really unfortunate that he doesn't trust any one of us to drive on these roads. The trip isn't going exactly how we planned. We had to climb up, but the temperature is so down, and the circumstances are such that we're taking the helicopter. Let's see what happens. We need to reach there first.
नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा क्षेत्र लोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा।
As I said earlier, मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा फुटेजेस है नहीं दिखाने के लिए क्योंकि मैं इतनी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो गई थी कि मैं रिकॉर्ड करना ही भूल गई थी. But I have this movie made by the iPhone AI of some pictures and videos, and it is pretty good. So enjoy.
So right now we are around helicopter. Let's see what happens. We need to reach there first.
Alright guys, this was my highlight of 2020 with the message that if you really want something with all your hearts, the entire universe will conspire for you to achieve it. A very happy New Year's to all of you. Hope the next year brings you a lot of health, wealth and success. And my friend Dhruv made a 360 video of Kedarnath for a virtual experience. It's awesome. I'll link it right here. Check it out.